Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. So we replaced the weekly report by the Canadian dollar in this week because as we said, on the daily, on the high time frames, on the monthly, weekly, situation also stands the same, and not necessary to provide really immediate update on the gold market. Still, as you can see, market is starting to see a bit deeper retracement, so we have talked about it. This market is creeping with everybody area and completed minimum targets in 1320 area. It's equal to this previous consolidation. It's classical target of the breakout of the rectangle pattern, and now it's turning down. At the same time, the major target, the XOP, stands untouched, and 1330 is our major daily target, and it will work like the magnet because market as a rule gravitates to long-term major targets, and sooner or later, but this target has to be completed. Usually, when the market is not at ever bottom and when it hasn't hit the major target, it very rare shows deep retracements. Besides, on the background and the Venezuela unrest, it's very difficult to suggest that we will see some real reversal in the gold market right now. It means that the most probable floor of the retracement stands right here. There is possible retesting of this broken rectangle. Gold market has the habit to retest the broken areas, and this is the feature of the gold market. But at the same time, it's not necessary that the market will hit it, and it could turn up a bit higher, right from this level, to complete the XOP. That's the major tricky moment on the gold market right now. Currently, we even do not take into consideration possible deeper retracement and breakout of this area, returning back in this consolidation. Hardly this will happen until market will hit the XOP. That's why currently we are watching mostly either for retracement already is finished, right here, and market will continue move higher, or retracement yet to be finished right around this area. So that's two possible targets of the retracement that we see currently. So speaking about the first scenario, so I'll take a look at the 4 time frame chart. What we have actually, this area where market stands right now is very strong support. So you can see this is confluence 1307, 1308. XOP target of this ABC top pattern. XOP stands here, it creates the agreement, and monthly pivot point also stands in this area. So it's very good area for possible reestablishing of the upward action. Besides, if you will take a look at the price of the gold in euro on the daily chart, you will see recent price action today could provide us the bullish grabber. Now we'll just check the lows of this candle for 46.17. Yes, it's right pips to the MACD line, so it has been touched, and it suggests taking out of this top. Well, it of course could happen by the different action on the euro dollar action, but something tells me that probably it will have relation to the gold price. So market really could start upward action somewhere from this level. As alternative scenario, breaking of these lows and drop below the confluence could lead market right to the 13 even area, because it could give us the AB equals CD pattern. So you could see here a kind of the hand shoulders also is forming. It's not really very good hand shoulders because ratio between the head and the shoulder is not correct. It's not typical. And shoulders looks too small, but anyway, some kind of the shape exists here. And in this case, you can see the target of this ABCD action coincides with our upper border of the consolidation that we have discussed on the daily chart right here. It's also B61 in support of this upward action, so 12.95 13 even, so that will be next destination point. What we could say about current pullback. So take a look what we have. At this chart, you could see that XOP has not quite reached yet. But if you take a look at the hourly chart, and you will take the A point from the level where the downward action has started precisely. So you can see that this was not, that was the first, the real area where that drop started. You could see that XOP already has been hit, the 1309. Here we also see the wash and rinse of these lows. Suppose market has spiked down it, grabbed the stops below these lows, and return right back up. Starts upward action. Right now, market struggling with this previous neckline of this pattern, as you can see. And also you can see that actually kind of the harmonic swing. It's typical for this previous shoulder. It also has the same distance, but in the mirror and reflection direction to the right side. So, and here we have kind of the godless triple to sell pattern. So what really you could do? So if you would like to take the long position, there are two ways to act. You could use here the Giordanopoly minesweeper tactic, because upward action has started and you currently do not know whether this will be continued or not, because chances on the continuation exist and they are not really bad. So you can see the market right now stands at the support, and you could try to take position on some fib levels on this upward swing against these lows, so with placing stops somewhere below this major support area. If occasionally this area will be broken down and this upward action will be erased, in this case you will get the clear information that indeed downward action is continuing, and in this case we're watching for these lows. We're watching for the completion of this ABC pattern somewhere around the 13 even and retesting of this consolidation. If market will hold here, break through this former neckline of the hand shoulders pattern and starting upward action, this will be a good sign of the possible immediate upward continuation to the 1330 target. So that's what you could do. Another scenario that you could follow is use the conservative tactics, do nothing here, and just wait for a possible breakout. In this case, yes, you will not take the loss on the possible price action if market indeed will drop these lows, and you will be able to take the position right here, but in case of the upward continuation you will have no position. So that's what we have right now in the gold market. It's not really very simple decision to make, but that's the real picture that we have currently here on the gold.